Hello everyone, hope you are well. Today in this video we will discuss how to website domain tracking set up properly step by step. So let's start. So go to the first of all my on tag manager. You can see this tag manager is properly, and this is my second tag manager. And go to the your website. Yeah, this is my first website and this is my second website. Who people go to the about section and you can see I already link up this second website. Just click here and you can see go there is second website, right? Like test abstract, and this is my first domain name is plugin pixel. So you can see it's okay. Then you can just go there and you can see this measurement ID already used. That's why I select data stream to test style. Just click there and you can just go scrolling now some. Then you can see configure tag setting. Just click there. Then you can see configure your domain, and this is the specify a line of domains for cross domain measurement. So I need a cross domain, that's why I select there and click here. Then you can see cross domain tracking linking configuration. So I want to linking the microsite, that's why I just add condition and just I select this contents and I select just this domain name like this and go back and test here and my another website like test website, right? This I select and copy, then go back Google Analytics, then just paste here and just save. It's okay, configuration save. So I just check this domain cross tracking is properly working or not. So how to check is properly working or not? So we can see no problem. So this is my website, right? Okay. Then two way to check, like first of all, go to the about section. Then you can see my second website is show like second website. Just click there. Then I preview again, and you can see. First of all, you can see GL like this domain URL. You can see GL ID. When you properly set up cross domain, then you can see is GL ID. Otherwise, you can't see. So we understand this is properly set up. And second option is like just click and inspect there, then go to the application, then you can see cookie and go there and just click GID is only one. So I just copy there and you can see second website and same process to inspect and go to the application and cookie, then you can see GID is 303. So okay. Then you can see this GA ID, that means cookie ID is same. So we are, so you can see this is properly set up. So if you need to cross domain cross domain tracking on your website, you can feel free tell me. I'll help you do this. If you need another service like Facebook ads, Google ads, and e-commerce tracking, other tracking and web analytics and reporting related any work, you can feel free contact me. I'll help you my best. Thank you so much. We are see another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.